Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you Methi Malai Matar dish. Let us see the ingredients required for Methi Malai Matar. As the name suggests, Methi. I have taken one bowl of Methi finely chopped. Then the second ingredient is Matar. So these green peas I have boiled. I have taken one cup of green peas and I have boiled them into the water with 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt to maintain its green color. Then here I have taken the paste of 2 small onions plus 20 cashews. The onions are to be blanched and the cashews are to be soaked, and then you make a paste, and this is the water of this paste. Then besides that I have taken 2 bay leaves, 1 black cardamom, 1 small stick of cinnamon, then say about 8 black peppercorns and 4 cloves. These are to be used sabut. Along with that I have taken the paste of say 5 to 6 garlic and 1.5 inch garlic, ginger. I have taken the paste. Then these are the 2 small green chilies finely chopped. This is 1 teaspoon garam masala, 2 teaspoon sugar and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now into this wok I have taken pure ghee, 3 ladles of like this ghee of this spoon. Now I have allowed it to get heated here, and right now I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let it crackle. Immediately at this point I'll be adding all these sabut masalas: bay leaves, then 1 black cardamom, then 1 small stick of cinnamon, then 4 cloves and say 8 black peppercorns. Let them get heated here, let them get mixed. Okay, now at this point I'll be adding 2 green chilies finely chopped and the paste of garlic ginger. Let them get cooked here. We are not going to cook it very long. Now at this point I will remove these bay leaves because its main job of giving the flavor is being done. So now at this point I'll be adding methi. I have finely chopped and I haven't blanched this methi because I like its bitter taste. If you don't like its bitter taste, you can blanch methi into the water in which you have boiled green peas. Now I will allow this to cook for some time, not much time. And then at this same point I'll be adding blanched green peas. Okay. Let this get cooked for 5 minutes. Now after cooking for say about 3 minutes, I'm going to add now this paste of blanched onion and 2 small blanched onions and 20 cashews. I'm going to add this here. Now I'll pour this water and I will get it cleaned. Because we are not going to waste anything here. So here. Okay, and now I mix this. And now here I'm going to allow this to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. See, after cooking it for say about 4 minutes, at this point I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala or whichever masala you are having at your place. Okay, and then I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Okay, and I'm also going to add sugar. Here I'm adding 2 teaspoons of sugar, granulated sugar. Now this sugar, it all depends on how sweet you want. Okay, now here at this point I have lowered my gas flame and I'm allowing it to cook for another 2 minutes, and at this point again I'm going to add kasturi methi to give it a flavor, and I'm going to crush it. See, it gives a good flavor to this vegetable. Okay, and I'm going to cook it for 2 minutes only. My vegetable Methi Malai Matar is ready, and I'm going to serve it. Before serving, I'm going to add this Amul fresh cream. If you don't have this at your place, you can use your the fresh cream that comes on the milk. You can use that also. Okay, so here I'm going to use, this is 250 ml, so I'm going to use it 150 ml of this. I'm going to put the gas flame off because after adding cream you are not going to cook it. Yeah, okay, so this is 150 ml and I'm just going to mix it. My gas flame is off and the dish is ready to be served. This dish is to be served along with parathas or whatever you like. Even with normal chapati this can be eaten, but normally it goes good with parathas. So this is how my Methi Malai Matar looks. If you like my recipe, kindly subscribe my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Like my video, click onto the like button. Share my video with your friends, and please do write your comments in the comments box. Thank you.